Take a look at this unparalleled gaming odyssey, the HyperX Cloud 3 headphones, where supreme comfort reigns supreme. Designed for avid gamers who demand an immersive experience, these headphones prioritize comfort to ensure uninterrupted gaming sessions, perfect for intense battles, speedruns, and everything in between. Immerse yourself in a meticulously tuned audio landscape, courtesy of the angled 53mm drivers crafted by HyperX audio engineers. Every nuanced detail of the gaming universe comes to life, providing an auditory adventure like never before. Communication is the key in the gaming realm, and the upgraded microphone guarantees crystal clear voice chats. With noise-cancelling capabilities and an LED mic mute indicator, your communications remain precise and disruption-free. Crafted to endure the rigors of gaming, the flexible design and robust aluminum frame ensure resilience against travel, accidental mishaps, and the emotional rollercoaster of in-game challenges. Subscribe now for more gaming insights and elevate your gaming experience with the HyperX Cloud 3.